This is a really simple and quick dessert to make but absolutely delicious. So just follow along for a fabulous pudding. You can make crumble from most of your favorite fruits, but today I'm using rhubarb. If you don't grow your own rhubarb, most grocery shops sell it. Just peel off the outer skin. Sometimes it does not peel off so easily, and so you have to cut the skin off. Chop into 1-inch chunks until you have 600 grams. Cook over a medium heat and add 200 grams of custard sugar. My secret ingredient, add 4 tablespoons of pork. Keep over a medium heat and reduce down as shown. Keep stirring and reduce down to a sweet fiber, no chunks. Pour into a bowl suitable for oven temperatures. Add 225 grams of crumble mix. You can make your own or use a ready mix. Spread a layer of oatmeal on top. Now we spread on a layer of chopped walnuts. Sprinkle a generous amount of brown sugar on top. Now pop into the oven. Bake at 180 C for 1 hour. Best served hot with custard or ice cream. Enjoy with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, a vanilla sauce, or Madagascan vanilla custard. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. See you in my next video. Please subscribe, love, like, and share.